next thing to do then, guys, would be to do a quick run over of the machine. Just do a little pre-start. So we open up the back like so. This little thing in here will clip into place just to allow that little bonnet to stay there for you. If you look in there, you can actually see the yellow top on the oil dipstick. Just check our engine oil. So that looks pretty good. Next thing to do would be to check your coolant level in your little reserve tank here. That looks pretty good. And then we just have a check around the engine then for any leaks or anything. All looks pretty good there. So we can close that one down. Then on the outside then we'll actually see a little window here is actually for your hydraulic fluid. Look around the machine then, making sure your rollers and everything are all good. Your idlers, your drive cogs, same on the far side. Just make sure everything looks all sweet. The hydraulic hoses and everything up around you, and also on your rams as well. There's no oil or anything on your rams, any pitting. Same here on the front, no oil leaks. No oil around your rams or your seals or anything. All looks pretty good. Then we can go for startup.